Your eyes tell me the language of love. Your actions speak it all. Your pretty face leaves a charming effect on me. It's everything you I can see. I have you in my life and I feel so good. You are a true angel and I want to do touch wood. Please stay as you are because I truly love you, my life. I still don't know how this all started and how it happened along, but with time everything has surely changed. From being your best friend to your boyfriend, the journey has been truly wonderful. I feel blessed to have such a girlfriend in my life, and I truly mean a lot. When I think about you, I have that subtle smile on my face. There is something about you which makes my eyes shine in rage. I think I am falling for you. It is a feeling so special. It is a feeling so new. Baby, you are like a magnet that attracts me through. I am sure I am falling in love with you. It's true. Love can never be planned in life. It just happened without reason. I had not planned anything in life, but it just happened, and it happened because of you, and it happened with you. Yes, my sweetheart, you heard that right. I truly love you, and I want you to know that I will never leave your side or will hide. So many meanings of love, but the emotion is truly strong. It's to me that you belong, and I feel proud of the same. If love is like a game, then I did play my turn, because I lost my heart to a pretty girl like you. Baby, I just want to confess it to you that I truly and hopelessly love you. If you understand my language of love, you would also understand my emotions and feelings. I love you and will love you till the end of time. You mean the world to me. It's everywhere you that I can see. My princess, be as you are, simple and wise. Your love gives me the power to suffice. I love you. I love you since I don't remember when. But one thing is sure, that my love has only increased with time. The more I think about you, the more I fall in love with you. You are the true reason of my life. Thanks for coming like an angel and making my life so wonderful. I love you so much.